In the latest news about Jennifer Hudson, the singer and actress shared a glimpse inside her quirky home on Instagram. The property, located in Los Angeles, features graffiti prints on the walls and a large purple house sign on the window. Jennifer lives in the house with her 14-year-old son, David. In other news, Jennifer confirmed her relationship with Common in January on her chat show. Common appeared as a guest on her show and mentioned that his significant other had an EGT, Emmy, Grammy, Oscar, and Tony Award. Jennifer quickly responded by teasingly asking if he was dating Whoopi Goldberg. During an appearance on The Jimmy Fallon Show, Jennifer was reminded of the sweet moment. She mentioned that interviewing someone she is a huge fan of can be more difficult, but she enjoys conversations with people she is more familiar with. Jennifer and Common have been dating since 2023, and Common has spoken about his love for Jennifer, describing her as smart, down-to-earth, and talented. Thanks for watching. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and give thumbs up to the video. Follow for more informative videos.